Oh, it's not right up here. Turn this on. My fan running is a little warm. Okay, welcome to another food review video. Okay, I was sent this for, I've sent this free from Social Nature to try and review. I'm not getting paid to do this. All opinions are my own. It's Organic Everyday Dal. I think that's how you pronounce it. And that's the brand. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. I'm so horrible at pronouncing stuff. But it's it has red lentil, butternut squash, and coconut in it. Okay, on the back it says they can be eaten on their own or with your favorite food. So I'm thinking about doing up a pasta salad with this. I hope it's gonna work out. I don't know. But I've got some tricolor pasta that I'm gonna cook on up. And I'll probably cook up the pasta first. I'll come back, once the pasta's done. Okay, I'm back. I got my pasta cooked and everything. And now I'm going to cook this. Okay, it says for the instructions, we're going to do this in the microwave. Slit, open, top, 1 inch for venting. Heat for 90 seconds. Let stand 1 minute. Carefully grasp the edges. And tear off top. Pour into a bowl and enjoy. Okay, so about 1 inch. Yeah. Oh, that's one thing that I love is when it's really easy to tear. Oh gosh, that smells so good. Oh. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's pop that in there and then let's see what do we do? Oh, 90 seconds. Okay. I've learned from the oatmeal. You do the recommended time. And if you see me blue, yes, my TV's on and I'm going to be watching a movie while I'm eating this. Okay, I'm checking on it because I never trust packages. I'm always just like really scared like it's going to all over the place. So I'm just like looking. I'm looking. It's cooking pretty good. Seems like everything's going good. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I could stay with you, throughout this. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, I feel like it's going to be really good with the pasta because the pasta's tricolor. It has like, I forget what, but it has like some veggies in there, and I think that's going to be good. Because it sounds gonna, when you want a little pasta. Okay, so maybe I was embarrassed because that little piece of pasta hadn't cooked all the way, so I was gonna eat it nonchalantly, like the rest of it did, but that one little piece did not cook. Oh my gosh. Okay, so carefully, the edges. Oh, it's too little. I saw it. Right after I tried to pick it up. It has these 2 little things on the sides that you pick it up with. Okay, and I have oven mitt that I have over here. Move my remote. Oh, tear open that package. Just gonna get that all the way off there. And then, oh yeah, there we go. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It tastes good. I got a little taste of it. I'll just pour it on into there. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, if I could, okay, it kind of smells like tamales, you know, it has that smell. Oh, there's still in there. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna enjoy this. I can smell it so good, and it smells like it has so many good flavors in it. I have a feeling this is gonna be a good review. Like, this is gonna be, you know, one where I love it. Because, you know, I'm always honest. If I don't like the product, I won't, you know, say I like it. But this, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm stirring it in with the pasta. I was going to put a sauce on this, but I do not think I need it. I'm probably going to eat the whole thing. I am so hungry. I kind of been snacking all day, so I just want something hearty. Okay, oh, little chunk fell. Okay, I might put something else with this. It's like top it with something. Let me just... Okay, I'm going to top it with a little bit of iodized salt. I always love salt on top of my foods. It gives it that flavor. Yeah, you might look at me like I'm weird, but I feel like it would be good with some of this. This is Hampton Creek Caesar dressing. And by the way, this entire dish is vegan. The pasta's vegan. This is vegan. It even has a little, I don't know if you can see it. It says vegan on there. Focus! Right there. Right there. So I thought that was cool. I always love products that say it right on the front. You don't need to, you know, look at anything. You just, in the cart, you know. But yeah, I'm going to put a little bit of Caesar dressing. I love Caesar dressing. I think it would... You can tell I love Caesar dressing if you could hear it. Just like, you know, when you get down to the bottom of it and you can hear that. Yep. Oh, man. But yes, I'm gonna just kind of mix this in just a little bit, you know. Get some of that creaminess in there. I don't know, it sounded so good in there. Oh, this is gonna take it to the next level, I tell you. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, it's good. Don't get mad at me, I'm putting more salt on it. I don't know what it is. I love my foods to be salty. You don't need this much salt. I don't know what it is with my... you know, everybody has their weakness. Mine is salt. I need salt on foods, like just a whole bunch of salt. I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. It's even good without Caesar dressing, but since I really wanted pasta salad today, and I thought, you know, do this up in it, you know, get some more flavors going. Oh my gosh. It's so creamy. Okay. Well, before I eat all of this, like I said, I am gonna sit down. I'm gonna watch some movies or some TV shows or something, you know. Just relax. I got my beverage, you know. Everything is good. Oh my gosh, that's so good. And it has spice in it. It's spicy too. It's got a little bit of spiciness. Oh man. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. I forgot to take the thumbnail picture before I did. Okay. I'll think of something creative. Okay, so for now I have to go, but until then, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew.